Today we're going to talk about how your brand would act if it was a person. Would it be bold and confident, or would it be calm and professional? Brand personality is the way your brand acts, communicates, and expresses itself. It is how your brand would come across if it was a person. Your brand personality doesn't come from nowhere. It is shaped by your purpose, and that is why you exist, your mission, what you do, your vision, where you're going, and your values, how you behave. Brand personality and values can sound very similar or like the same thing, but there is a bit of a difference. Your values are internal. They guide how your business operates. Your personality is external. It's how your brand would come across to others. For example, if your values are creativity, boldness, and self-expression, your personality might be expressive, confident, and a bit unconventional. Everything connects. To define your brand personality in a simple way, start by asking, how do I want my brand to feel? Playful or more serious? Bold or subtle? Casual or more formal? And next ask, how do you want to communicate? Do you want to be friendly or authoritative? Energetic or calm? Conversational or very professional? And the last question is, does this fit with my values and my audience? Does it align for what you stand for and who you're speaking to? Let's use the bakery example again. If their purpose is to bring joy to families and their values are kindness and community, their personality might be warm, friendly, and welcoming. That would show up in how they speak to their customers, how their space feels, and how their brand looks. Here are some example traits for inspiration. You don't need many. Usually 3 to 6 works perfectly. A common mistake is to have too many personalities at once. For example, trying to be playful, corporate, luxurious, and casual all at the same time can prove to be a bit difficult. Clarity is more important than having the variety of a rainbow. I hope this helped, and to see you in the next one.